This is where the candlelight concert will be this evening. Nice calm water here at Puerto Mogan. It's very busy today. Sun's out, dust storm is gone.
Be careful. Kind of blur the map.
Such cute little streets. This is the marina area in Mogan. And there's a whole long big walkway with shops and restaurants all the way down. All these fish right out here swimming around the boats. Water's really clear too. Beautiful afternoon. Today we're checking out a little beach town and close to Playa de Inglese. Maspalomas dunes. The Maspalomas dunes here on Grand Canaria.
So connected with the dunes is the lagoon here in Maspalomas. It's a big wildlife, wet life area.
Mainly a lot of birds.
Big blue current, there's a blue
Big
heron.
herons. We're walking along the promenade here, and this is Maspalomas Beach. Down there, where all people are laying out. More of the promenade here on Maspalomas Beach goes on for quite a ways. This is the Puerto del Mar, which is Grand Canaria's aquarium. This is the jungle area. See the lizard in the tree? That's an 80 ton. Largest curved glass aquarium.